Well, good morning, my friends. What is up? It's your friend and pal Seth. My pronouns are he and they. I want to welcome you into your morning inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day. And guess what, y'all? We hit it. It is day 100 of our morning inspiration videos. I cannot believe it. I'm going to get emotional. You know what? That's okay. It is day 100 of our morning inspiration videos. And in addition to it being day 100, okay, I have now hit also 200 videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm up here on cloud nine, as the Temptations would say. Okay, I am just so excited. This has been a long journey. I started doing these videos on May 1st of 2025. It is today, August 8th of 2025. I am so happy. I'm excited. I'm elated. I'm almost like I couldn't believe it kind of thing. I'm all those incredible just adjectives. Yeah, adjectives. Schoolhouse Rock conjunction. Okay, schoolhouse. Yes. Adjectives. All those incredible adjectives that you can think of. That's me. Okay, so I am just really, really excited. So, as you can tell. So, I hope that you are doing well. You are having the most fantastic day ever today. And if you find that you're needing a little boost of some extra added motivation, hello, just watch me. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I hope this video serves to do that for you today. Helps you to feel just a little bit better, maybe 1 to 3%. Let's stretch it to 4 or 5%. All right. So let us, without further ado, let us get into it. So, inside of your morning inspiration video, this morning inspiration video, day 100, I'm going to be talking about what we're going to be discussing inside of the community of practice that I belong to. And we meet Monday through Friday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you would like to join us today, you can get with me down in the comments below this video. You can get with me on social media, or if you received the link to this video via an email, okay, you can reply back to the email, say, I would love to come to group today. I would say, yes, honey, you do. Of course you do. And I would get you the Zoom link and everything so you would have access and you get the hookup. You get the hookup from me. Okay, there you go. So, without further ado, what are we actually going to be doing and talking about inside a group, in addition to Seth being all happy and giddy and yeah. Okay, so today is our Journey of Strength group, okay? And the topic for today is everything I do is step by step. Ooh, I already love that. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so our songs for inspiration for today are Everything I Do by Bryan Adams, love it, and Step by Step by the incomparable Whitney Houston. Okay, two incredible songs, two beautiful songs as well, lyrical wise, content wise, music wise. Whoa. Okay, and vocal wise, Bryan Adams and Whitney Houston, they have some incredible voices. All right, so I definitely recommend checking out both of these songs. Okay, incredible. So, what are we actually going to be doing today in group? Well, we have our daily affirmations still. We have 3 daily affirmations inside a group. And you know what? I'm just going to keep saying it. I love having these affirmations inside of our group because we get to read them and we get to see how they relate to us and our life and everything. But we also have the invitation to try to construct our own I am statements, our own I am affirmations. So if there are any affirmations that you normally use on a regular basis that you may use today, that, any day that you use any affirmations and everything, and if you are comfortable, you can put them down in the comments below and everything. I love reading like I am affirmations. Affirmations are really, really powerful. And I personally, I love reading them. Okay. So, and let's share them. I think, being able to share them with others, I think it's just amazing. All right. So some things we're going to be talking about in group today. One of these things is this idea of perfection versus progress. Now, I will probably be the first to admit that I am the type of person who has always strived for perfection. on on my healing journey and everything. I was always striving for perfection, and I think for a lot of us, we are the hardest on ourselves. Can I get an amen? Okay, we are the hardest on ourselves. Okay, and I think when we find ourselves, expecting perfection out of ourselves, I think one of the things that happen is it, as motivating as that would be, I think at the same time, it can also be incredibly detrimental because, especially when we find that we may fall short of a goal or something that we're striving towards or working towards. So, one of the things we're going to be looking at is this idea of perfection versus progress and things to really bring in or focus on as it pertains to progress, and things to not to take out, or things to not so much focus on when it comes to perfection. Okay. So that's something that we're really going to be looking at today. We're going to be looking at examples. We're going to be looking at again, how this really relates to us and everything, and how, with this idea of perfection versus progress. Okay. Another thing we're going to be looking at inside of group today is the thing is, there we have two realities in our life, and our choice, I always call Tuesdays, even though today's Friday, hello, I call Tuesdays, because again, harks back to that power of choice that we all have. We choose, the type of day we're going to have. We choose, how we're going to approach the day, how we're going to approach different circumstances, different experiences that happen. And in life, we have two realities, and our choice comes with what to focus on. So, for example, like sad has 3 letters, but so does joy. Fall has 4 letters, but so does rise. Negativity has 10 letters, but so does positivity, right? So again, just looking at both of these as well, and just looking at kind of these two realities, and our choices in life and everything, and how we're going to approach the day and experiences and everything, and just seeing how we kind of really feel about that. So it's going to be a really powerful group today. I also wanted to highlight, so from the Wellness and Life Advice document by Will and Jen, under the heading of 16 Ways to Calm Yourself When Life is Getting Tough. Our advice for today is self-talk. Negativity does not serve you. Whew. I'm going to read that one again. Under the heading of 16 Ways to Calm Yourself When Life is Getting Tough, our advice for today is self-talk. Negativity does not serve you. Now, I think this is also really, really powerful because, again, as it kind of harks back to the fact that, when we're the hardest on ourselves and everything, that what seems to happen, especially for me, my self-talk starts to go down the crapper. And I get that negative self-talk, especially if I'm striving to reach for perfection or anything. My self-talk goes like, oh, you're this, you're that, and it starts being really, really negative. So focusing and looking at our self-talk and everything, and the way that we talk to ourselves and everything, and the thoughts that we think to ourselves and how we speak to ourselves is really paramount and really important. All right. So that will about do it for your morning inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day, your day 100, baby, morning inspiration video for the day. I will say, don't quit before the miracle happens, my babies. Find ways to keep moving forward because you are amazing. You're worth it. Let's join hands, do this together. Okay? Do this together. In addition to that, I will say stay positive, stay motivated, and stay focused on your amazing, huge, big dreams and goals, my friends, okay? Thank you so, so much for watching on the Morning Inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day, and I will see you and your gorgeous face, your gorgeous mug. I will see you. Yes, I'll see you, right? Good. I will see you in the morning inspiration video for tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your day. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.